Tractors are getting increasingly advanced these days, with more technology in the machines than ever. But with added technology comes added complications and servicing costs. Recognizing this, some manufacturers are keeping costs down by preserving tried and true parts while improving on other aspects of the machine. A good example is Deutz-Fahr's brand new Agrotron 6G series tractors. Distributed by PFG Australia, the tractors feature the proven Deutz 6-cylinder Tier 3 engine with no AdBlue or DPF filters in it to keep servicing costs down.
It's got the new ZF transmission with totally new power shifts, 6 power shifts with 5 ranges in it. The 50k versions also now have creep in them, and that's throughout the range.
There are 6 models in the 6G series, with power output ranging from 141 to 203 horsepower. The models offer road speeds of either 40 km per hour or 50 km per hour, or both.
One of the key features of this new transmission is the modulation through the gear shifts and the power shifts and your forward and reverse modulation. It smooths out all those power shifts things, which is actually nicer on your equipment as well, because you get a smoother change and more efficient.
Another proven and popular feature Deutz-Fahr has preserved in the 6G series is the color-coded controls in the cab.
The Deutz still carries its traditional colour schemes within the cab, so everyone knows that orange is for moving, blues for hydraulics, greens for linkage, yellows for PDO. So any driver that's been in a tractor before can simply jump in one of these and be safe to operate it. We have a new suspension set up over the previous models. Previous models used to have the rams on the back side of the front axle there, which gave a lot of diving in the application, but today extending that wishbone, having the ram at the front gives you much better control over the floating of the front axle. Total new design of the bonnet. One-piece bonnet, easy to lift up to maintain your radiators and cooling packages in there.
Deutz-Fahr has also designed the engine compartment to be completely separated from the cab, which prevents heat and noise from reaching the cab, hence improving operator comfort. The 6G series tractors come standard with 3 hydraulic remotes, with the option to go up to 5 remotes if required.
Throughout the range there is open centre systems for more simplicity and load sensing systems that we have up to 120 litre hydraulic flow available. All of the G series has a cab suspension as standard with a spring and a shock absorber. So that cab suspension is known in the industry to take out at 35% of the vibration and roughness in the paddock from where the operator sits.
The 6G series tractors feature 4 PTO speeds, namely 540, 1000 and both speeds in economy.
From where you're sitting, your visibility of the loader compared to a lot of tractors in this market is much better to be able to see for what loader work's doing. You can actually see your bucket and your forks.
Pricing for the 6G series Deutz-Fahr tractors starts from $116,000.
We do invite anybody who's had a 6-cylinder Deutz in the past, is they really need to come and have a look at the G series.